Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the home control when iPhone is locked. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, go to the Face ID and passcode, type your passcode right here. Then you want to swipe down again and find the section Allow Access when locked, and here you are going to find the home control. So now I'm going to be able to, if this is on, like it's green, you're going to be able to use your, for example, HomePod or home control just when your iPhone is locked. When you disable it, you need to unlock your phone to take control of your home devices. So now it's on, now it's off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.